Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an oxygen farm in no man's sky. This essential setup provides a continuous supply of oxygen, crucial for your survival and various crafting recipes. We will cover everything from gathering initial resources to constructing and optimizing your very own oxygen production facility. Having a reliable oxygen source means less time scavenging and more time exploring the vast universe. Let's dive into the steps to get your farm operational. To start your oxygen farm, first establish a base on any planet. You'll need a reliable power source, so consider electromagnetic generators or solar panels. Gather plenty of carbon, which fuels your refiners and harvesters, and some initial oxygen, often found in flora or purchased. You will also need common building materials like ferrite dust and pure ferrite for constructing the necessary modules. These foundational resources are key to building your efficient oxygen production system. Now, let's build the core of your farm, the oxygen harvesters. You can place several of these units within your base for maximum output. Each harvester requires power, so connect them to your established power grid using electrical wiring. For optimal storage, place supply depots adjacent to your harvesters. Each depot can hold up to 1,000 units of oxygen, ensuring a steady accumulation without constant manual collection. Aim for at least 3 to 5 harvesters for a good start. To maximize your oxygen production, consider scaling up your farm. Add more oxygen harvesters and ensure your power generation can support the increased demand. A crucial tip is to use a large refiner. Combining 1 oxygen with 1 carbon yields 2 oxygen, effectively doubling your supply. You can also use condensed carbon for an even greater return. Remember to regularly collect the oxygen from your supply depots to prevent them from filling up, ensuring continuous production for all your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.